All right, chat. What is this? Oh, it's on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. It's July 8th, Tuesday. So, and it's 10:11 in the morning, so I missed a little bit of the morning. Fucking everybody was talking to me today at the gym. But it's my birthday, so I don't know if I'm trading. But if I am, maybe we could find something real quick right now. Mark out opening, let's mark out the sessions. I haven't looked at the market at all. So this introduction is going to be a little long and quiet, just as I'm marking out like session highs and everything, and trying to get an understanding of what happened. What's today? Tuesday? Damn. Tuesday opened up. That's the daily open. And then 8:30 is like over here. Yeah, I don't need to mark out both or everything. London high, and then this is Asia low. Okay. London high, Asia low, bam, bam, bam. Start off on the daily really quick. So we're moving just kind of sideways, I'm not gonna lie. 4 hour, there's nothing really. Taps into that 4 hour order block, but also taps into this imbalance, and then since then we've been going up. We are in this hourly order block, and it did form fair value gaps. I gotta be right back, chat. Actually, never mind, I don't. I'm probably gonna get interrupted. On the hourly, I mean, if anything, we're due to go up. Like 8:30 open and didn't do anything. I think we're gonna take out Asia low and then maybe go up. Like right now, I don't see anything. So we're gonna see what price wants to do. I'm gonna see you guys probably in a little bit. All right, chat. What's up, everybody? We're okay. Yep, we're back. I don't take any trades. Uh, I haven't even gone out yet. I have to wait. Mom needs to fucking wait for me or wait for her. But there was one thing, one trading opportunity, not opportunity. There's one thing I wanted to see once Asia lows were swept. I wanted to see buys. Right, we came down. We took out Asia low. I was like, awesome. I want to look for longs. I was like, if we inverse this and then close above here and then get a fair value gap, which I feel like is pretty basic, then I will enter long. And I honestly would probably target if I'm entering. I don't really care about here. I want to enter like around here. But like we never even got like I said, we inversed the fair value gap, yeah, and we inversed it over here. So if you're trading inverses, you would do something like this, and the trade worked. I would probably take profit here, go break even over here, take profit here, and then maybe this wick, which I actually ended up getting hit for 57 points. But that's just off an inverse. I don't really enter off of an inverse. Like if we had a higher time frame fair value gap here, like on the 15-minute, I would enter. But we really did, I mean, yeah, we did actually. We had this one. which I didn't see that. And we have like an, yeah, honestly, probably should have taken that, but I wanted to see if fair value get tapped into, but we didn't get that. And what I'm actually gonna, what I'm thinking about is like, if we inverse this without any chance for a fair value gap to form, like these wicks all mean no fair value gap down here, right? But if we inverse it, you could just enter, and then we'll create a fair value gap. And then once we create a fair value gap, you would go break even. Huh. But besides these longs, actually, shorts right here was not that bad. Do we have a hard time frame for fair value gap? We did this 15-minute, 1 minute CISD. I'm pretty sure it happened. Actually did. Yeah, shorts here was not bad. You could have entered best entries around here. Stop loss even at highs only 15 points. I don't know if I would have targeted all the way back down here though. I maybe would have targeted like maybe this first fair value gap. 40 points. Second TP could be this low. That's 70. But it's just accordion price action again. And then we gapped up over here. But I mean I'm not gonna lie. After like here, what time? Like 10:30, I stopped looking. I just stopped looking. And if you scale in, we really haven't done anything. It's just back and forth price action within this range. It's just within a range. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we should. I don't know, man. Is tomorrow news or is it the next day? We have FOMC meeting minutes. Okay. Like I want to trade. I gotta, I gotta stop putting restraints on it. Like, oh, I need to see this, that, and the other, because that shit does not happen. And even when it does happen, I'll hesitate and miss the trade. Like, what the fuck? Well, my mom got me, chat. Really quick before we end this video, because it's 2 o'clock and I'm done trading. Like, I'm going out in a little bit. This is fucking nice, dude. The Singleton single malt Scotch whiskey. I don't know, what's the brand? The Singleton, I guess. Is that a fish? Yeah. Right, 12 years old, apparently. And it's a big bottle, chat. It's a big bottle. Is there something in here? No. Yes, there is. No, it's not. It's just a box in a box. Chat, look at this. This is a nice bottle of scotch. Scotch whiskey. Is it scotch and whiskey two different things? Chat. Notes of honey, fresh fruit with hints of toffee. 12 years old. Scotch. Tastefully enjoyed. And it said, I think it says on the box. You can do it, neat on the rocks with a soda. Ew. And it's 40% alcohol. But this, I feel like this tastes pretty good, Chad. I'm not gonna lie. I've never had this, but look at that. That's pretty fucking fancy. How much is this? I'm curious. Is there a difference between scotch and whiskey? There is a difference. They're two different things, aren't they? Yeah. Scotch is a type of whiskey. While oh Jesus, all Scotch is whiskey, but not all whiskey is Scotch. So Scotch is just a type of whiskey, specifically one made in Scotland. Smoky flavor. Scotch must be aged for at least 3 years in oak barrels, while other whiskeys can be aged for shorter periods. Oh, this might be. If it's smoky, I'm not gonna like it. I'm not gonna lie. But if it really does taste like honey, fresh fruit, and toffee, I'm gonna like it. Let's see how much this one is. The single malt Scotch whiskey. 50 or four. Well, actually, it depends. How big is this? This is a cool box. 780. $80. Why is this one so cheap? Let's go to that place. 54-year-old whiskey for 34,000. Are we dead ass? Is Singleton a good whiskey? Smoothness and approachable flavor profile. 18, 12. What's this one? This one kind of fruity. Oh, it's a lady. I thought it was fruit. Dude, 54 years ago is what? That's like 1980. Why was it 67? I'm gonna pop this open probably. Damn. Single malt Scotch whiskey. All right, we'll try it later though. Chat, I'm a little sick. Got a little like throat pain, like sore throat, but not really. Not a sore throat, but whatever. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. This was fucking a side quest. How much was my gift card from Joseph? Anyway, chat, I'm gonna do this off. I'm gonna do this off video, but I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I'll be here normal time and everything. I'm expecting price to kind of be a little bit cleaner, hopefully, you know. I just bought two colognes for like $160 because they were on sale. They were like half off. I'm like, fuck yeah. Um, but it's like a fucking Amazon Prime Day sale. Anyway, chat, I'm getting distracted. I got two colognes. Sorry, I'm trying to see where's here we go. All right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm hoping tomorrow's price section is a little bit easier to read and kind of like assume, like not assume, but like to read, you know. I hope we have a good trading week the rest of the day. So I'm gonna do this off stream. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I have FOMC meeting minutes and everything, but it should be a normal stream in the morning. And I'll be here before 9:30 because today I was here a little bit later. Um, but yeah, chat, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Here we go.